Okay, let's dive into this explainer. Today, we're totally unlocking the minor pentatonic scale.
Are your solos stuck in a box? Playing those vertical scale shapes just sounds robotic, right? Good news, we aren't learning new notes today. We're just taking those same 5 notes and playing them horizontally. By ditching the dissonant half steps, we get this elegant 1, flat 3, 4, 5, flat 7 formula, a perfect soloing foundation. Let's look at A minor. That formula gives us 5 powerful notes: A, C, D, E, and G.
Enter the Musicogram. It's a color-coded visual matrix that bridges abstract theory right onto your guitar's fretboard.
See those green root notes? Visualizing them gives you totally safe, low-stress landing pads while you improvise. And this brilliantly illustrates that targeting these root anchors ensures your solos always resolve musically.
Fluid, horizontal playing completely shatters the severe limitations of staying trapped in those static vertical boxes.
Our first escape route, the 3-2 soloing system. It's an incredibly easy framework to solo horizontally.
The elegance here is crazy simple. Just 2 starting positions let you seamlessly slide between your octaves.
Next up, the diagonal pentatonic. This efficient pathway connects multiple boxes across 3 or 4 continuous octaves.
Ready for the ultimate cheat code? You literally only need 2 fingers to play this entire pattern.
Starting on the low G in A minor, you just smoothly ascend right up through the dotted frets.
Definitely practice this diagonal shape slowly at first. Focus on simple melodies and smooth slides, not speed.
Nobody wants to sound like a metronome. Add expressive call and response phrasing to really make those notes sing.
This exact scale powers B.B. King's blues, Deep Purple's heavy riffs, and Miles Davis's jazz masterpieces. So, will you prioritize melody over speed, start slow, use a backing track, and completely unlock your fretboard?